Hey y'all, I wanted to help you with one more question on Khan Academy that I found a little bit tricky, so I wanted to kind of walk you through it. So I'm going to share my screen with you and let's talk about it. Okay, now obviously if you will watch the videos, it will help, but this one's kind of tricky, so I didn't want to talk to you about it. Okay, so here is the equation. -1/2 x minus 2 squared minus 4. So the vertex, remember we got to do the opposite of this number. Opposite of -2 is +2. Okay, so I'd already moved it to +2 and then -4. So this point needs to be at +2. Opposite of -2 is +2, -4. Now my next point, I don't know where it needs to go. So let's just plug in 3 into this equation. Okay, I'm going to do this in the calculator just because it's a little bit easy and I want to expedite some time. So if you will go to week 1 assignments and click that PDF, I have a bunch of calculator options right here. Okay, I'm going to click on this online meta calculator. And I'm going to go to where it says scientific calculator, and I'm just going to type in my equation, and I'm going to plug in, let's try 3. I'm going to plug in 3 for x. So I'm going to type in, I need to put that fraction that's in front in parentheses, and I'm plugging 3 for x. Well, that gave me a decimal, right? Khan Academy does not let me graph a decimal. So let's try the next number, 4. So instead of plugging in 3 for x, I'm going to plug in 4, and I get a good number. I get -6. So my next point needs to be at 4, -6. Yay! We got it right. So again, graph the vertex, opposite of -3, 4. Then plug in the next number for x, which I would plug in 4 in this case, and see if that gives me a good number, and that's where my next number goes. So plug in 4 for x, type that in the calculator, and then adjust as needed to get the right graph. Hope this helps.